Alright, hey, what's up everybody? Back here again with Hornacek Food Challenges. We're going to do something a little bit different today. Not really like a food challenge, but one of my favorite hot sauces, Habby Fruit. We're going to do sort of like a little food review on it. So, at the Hamburg Festival last weekend, I was able to meet up with them again. I bought some of their hot sauce, the Blackberry Habanero, a couple months ago at a wing festival, and I went to the Hamburg Festival over in Hamburg, Pennsylvania, where I got to compete against Molly, Killer Kennedy, Notorious B.O.B., all them guys in the Red Robin Hamburg comp, which was pretty sweet. Molly killed it, broke a world record. But anyways, that's not why we're here. So I bought all 5 of these. We're gonna try them out. So the cool thing about this sauce, what I like about it is you can try it on a lot of different kinds of food. So I got a couple different things here we're gonna try it out on. We'll just go right down the line. So the first one is the habanero apricot. Apricot, however you want to say it. So what do you guys want to try on this, with this?
Sausage.
You want to try sausage?
Yep.
So this is what we'll do. We'll put some of these a little bit forward. Shift these up. So we want to try some of the sausage with it.
I want to try the
Shake it up.
first. And make sure you like and subscribe to the video.
There you
And
go.
comment down below what you want our next video to be.
Alright, so you want to get your fork, chop a little piece up and eat some, try it out.
Yep.
Jack, get your fork.
That's mine.
Here you go. Dip it in there and try it. Mmm. What do you guys think?
I taste the spice. I taste
What?
a little bit of spice.
Yeah. That's the apricot behind breakfast
I'm
sausage.
trying to not take a drink.
Yeah. I want to try. Let's do this too.
A pear.
Little piece of the pear. That one there, apricot pear. Be interesting. So let's dip it. Not bad. So let's do, what do we want to try? Blackberry?
Yeah.
Let's try the blackberry on
I ate all my sausages.
an English muffin with cream cheese. Daddy's gonna put a little bit on his, like a good amount, because I really like this stuff. We'll just do a teeny bit and wipe it in, okay? There you go, wipe it in. Wipe it in. I'm gonna put some more on mine. I like this stuff. I've had the blackberry before and it's amazing. All right, take a bite. If you need a drink, you got your milk. This is why I really do like this stuff, because it's a wide variety. It's not just like a regular crazy hot sauce.
That is good.
What do you think? Thumbs up?
Thumbs up for both of them that we already tried. I'm eating all of it.
You're eating all that? Let's try the mango. Habanero mango.
On the long sausages.
On the long sausages, we'll go.
I'm gonna mix them all together.
My mom's gonna yell at me because I'm opening the stuff with my teeth. I'm gonna pour it on the other side, okay?
I'm gonna get a long sauce.
Okay, so this is the mango. You wanna try the long sausage? Go ahead. Try it out, Jax. I'm gonna get a bunch on
I feel like taste on my tongue.
Wow, very good. Mango sausage, mango breakfast sausage. I'm gonna try this other.
So far, I'm liking all of these.
The good thing is they got a nice little kick to it, but they don't have one of them kicks that if you accidentally pour way too much, you end up ruining your food like some sauce. It's just got a really good. I want to try the banana, and let's try the banana and the apricot.
Alright,
Maybe not. I don't know if that wasn't probably. All right, let's do. This is another good one. So apple garlic.
I want to get another one of those.
Here, let's do waffle.
Oh, I really want it.
Here, I'll put a bunch. Yeah, that's a lot.
I only want like one.
Yeah. One of the squares. There you go. Apple garlic.
I'll take 2 squares.
Apple garlic on. There you go. That's a good amount. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Ooh. That. I think that might be my favorite. The apple garlic. That. I mean, I gotta fill up another one. That's amazing. Like I said, you can. It's not.
Nope, no taste for me. I didn't eat a taste because I ate those.
You okay? I'm just hungry.
That stuff went in my throat. That had a big kick to it.
All right, so last one is raspberry.
Raspberry? And try it on. What thing did we not try? Oh yeah.
This might, I don't know.
I'm gonna try it on.
Try it on something different. I'm gonna try raspberry on. I have this charred pasta.
I like it. Did we eat this last time?
This is what Daddy did the other day for the
challenge. I want to eat another one on this.
You want to try it on there? Yeah. Chop it in half. Jace is gonna eat the raspberry on the sausage.
Raspberry sausage. That's
raspberry sausage. I think that's amazing. There you go. You want to try it on waffle, or what do you want to try it on, Jax?
I'll take a long sausage.
Long sausage. Nice. So here's. I'll pour some in there, and you can try it.
Stuff some on.
Yeah. And I'm gonna scarf some of this down.
Yep. Right when I ate it, I got the kick.
Yeah.
This one's good.
That's pretty good on here. Because we cooked this yesterday. It was good yesterday. And that's good. So again, this is Habby Fruit. It's made here in Pennsylvania. I ran into the guy at a Hot Wing Festival. And I bought just a bottle of the Blackberry. It's actually, was it you that picked it out?
Yeah, me.
Jaxsen picked it out just because it looks cool.
I like the sauce. And I picked out one of my own.
It's got a cool looking label on it, Habby Fruit.
Can I get one just to eat?
But it's pretty dang good. Yeah, and I'm probably gonna say this wrong, but Fogelsville, Pennsylvania is where it's made out of. You can get the stuff off habbyfruit.com. But again, it's like I said, you just seen us try it on a bunch of random stuff, and I say A+ to all of it.
Can I just get a sausage?
I'm a fan.
I like every single one of them. Like the highest amount.
Wow.
I'm gonna try this one with that apple like this. This is good.
So again, I sort of wanted to show you guys that it can be good in all kinds of different stuff. Get a pear in there. It's good with fruit, like breakfast foods, pasta, waffles.
Hey, see that stuff dripping off?
English muffins. I've used it in burgers. Burgers, I think it's amazing, especially, I'll tell you right now, the blackberry on your burger was amazing.
Favorite.
The other stuff I just now, besides my mom opened up the apple garlic, the other ones was just my first time opening them up. But highly recommend it. I love this stuff. But anyways, let's try to just do something a little bit different. Just give out a sort of a food review. I love hot sauce, so I figured we'd do hot sauce one, right?
I like that lime sausage with this. That's why I got another one with it.
All right, so tell everybody, see you guys later.
Bye.
Jase, say bye.
Bye.
All right, Hornacek Food Challenge is out.
Bye.